Hello everybody. If you're somewhere, you need to dampen your beauty blender, but you don't have access to water, or perhaps you're scared of the water in the environment, how can you dampen your beauty blender without access to water? You want to get a wipes, a facial wipes, any kind of wipes. I don't care, just wipes, so long it's wet. Put your beauty blender in the center. Grab at least 2 wipes. Let me pick another one. 1 second. I can't edit this video, you understand? So grab 2 wipes, okay? Put the beauty blender in the center, then squeeze. You see the water coming out? Just make sure, okay? Just make sure. Just squeeze quick, keep like this. Don't squeeze out the water because it will end up not staying in the beauty sponge, okay? You want to just, so the water get absorbed in the beauty sponge. So that is how you can dampen your beauty blender without access to water. It happens sometimes, okay? Or maybe even if you're home but you feel like, "Oh, I don't have time," go into the tap water, okay? You can just grab wipes, run your beauty blender through it, then voila. You see, exactly, works like magic. That is how you can dampen your beauty blender or beauty sponge without access to water. Then the beauty sponge is ready to go. That's it. All right, have a nice and a beautiful time in doing your makeup. The sponsor for today's video, I almost left that part out, is God Almighty the Father, God Almighty the Son, and God Almighty the Holy Spirit. Okay, my name is Abimbola Adeshawa Laoshe. I'll see you next time. Bye.